Well, my topic for today is the low-code approach to development. And I'll kind of walk you through kind of my evaluation on how it really resonated with me. The first, what is low code? When I see an acronym, my first thing is, what is this really? It's really a rapid application development technique or approach where you can actually have visual tools, access to the normal 100% visual tools, point and click, drag and drop, all the capabilities of no code that you'll find out. But also you have that ability to do some coding or scripting to augment what you're doing. Now, how is that relevant? If I had one analogy to summarize it up for me, it's kind of like your hybrid car, where I have the ability to plug in and get electricity to run my vehicle, but also I have the ability to power it with gas when that is not enough there. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds that you're able to achieve. Secondly, I said, well, okay, what can I actually, who is this actually built for? You know, that really lets me know the primary audience of where I'll kind of think about the context when I want to use this approach. And I think that the first thing is geared to professional developers. Since we have a natural inclination, me, myself, I'll confess, to actually want to build, this really appeals to them. They just still have that ability to augment what you're doing with code there, all right? Secondly is your power users. When we think about the term of citizen developers, business technologists, again, they are described as not as non-technical people that have some experience. I call my power users people who have a lot more experience, but not necessarily up to the level of professional developers here. Lastly, it was what kind of outputs can I achieve here? So you'll see a lot of low code in editors and IDEs where you can augment the capabilities of what an IDE can do. Secondly, which I spend a lot of time in IDEs when I'm coding, great appeal there. Web UIs, where I can augment the capabilities of what's there in the actual web interface. And then also your connectors or plugins. And we know that these are repeatable tasks like building connections to SaaS REST APIs. You know, that's something that if I can greatly facilitate that in a plug that in my credentials and go, great benefit to me. So this has been the topic of low code approach to development. While you're here, please leave your comments below. Subscribe to that channel so we can keep bringing you great content on topics like this. Until next time, technically yours, Jamil Spain.
If you have any questions, please drop us a line below. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please like and subscribe.